It's the after party. Ian and Zuda like to get down and plastered.
If you're looking for a girl that'll treat you right, and you're looking for in the daytime.
Ah! Girls Gone Wild 2009! I'm the best dancer. Lar for president.
Yeah. I'm not really into the whole party thing. Yeah.
I am! This is how Barbies dance. Oh yeah, Melissa, show us what Zarinsky taught you.
This is Amanda.
What'd I say? I meant Amanda, not Melissa.
Look at me, I can do a split.
Amanda, that's puss. You don't need to show off all the time. Seriously, God. Puss.
Hate her. So annoying.
Oh, Amanda Carey. We thought you liked. Stop it! Stop it! You should not do that to women! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Oh,
Hey Zach. Yeah. I'm not dancing with you. Okay, bye.
I never actually got to sing apparently, but you want to be my new baby daddy?
Oh yeah!
Oh, let's go use that bed. Well, hey there. We don't. This isn't a porno. One night in Paris.